Hello? Watermelon, watermelon, how it drips up and down my... Let's see, roll over. Let's see it. Right on cue. Awesome. You got it. Willa. Willa. What are you going to do now that you're over? Yeah? What are you going to do? How are you going to get back? Yeah, we haven't figured that one out yet. We haven't figured that one out yet. Willa. Where are you going to go? Yeah, you might as well just learn to crawl. Okay.